In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix if Wi-Fi is connected but there is no internet access. So let's get started. So we just need to simply go ahead and do on the search bar, and here we need to type ncpa.cpl. Okay, it's ncpa.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that and you will be directed into the network connections window, and here you have to locate your Wi-Fi. So what you can do is you just need to make a right click. Again, it's right click, and then you have to select disable. You have to disable it, and then you have to wait for some time in order to refresh it, and then make a right click, select enable. This may be just a simple fix, but this is a very helpful fix in order to solve the issue, and you will be reconnected again into your connection, and then close this. For the next method, we are also going to run some commands. So go ahead and go on the search bar and type cmd. Now on the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. So here you just need to simply follow me for the commands. First command is netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Do not worry, these commands will be posted in the description section of this video. Hit enter. Next command, netsh space int space ipv4 space reset space reset.log. Hit enter. And for the final command, it's netsh space int space ip space reset. Hit enter. And then type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, your issue will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.